Vitatech is Alekia's, and then Fresh Organics is Brian's company. So our main features is a secure section that allows user creation and login, and then that will give you access to screens that would not be available if you didn't sign in. Then we have a database to store those users, as well as we use cookies for tracking of individual listings or products and services. And then we have user reviews as well as ratings for our products and services. And then also two highlights is to top five reviewed products and services for the entire marketplace, as well as the top five for individual companies. Next, for our extra features, we have enhanced navigation as well as a booking system. So we have for enhanced navigation, we have smooth scrolling, navigation bar for easy access, mobile responsive hamburger section to click where you want to go, and a category-based service organization. For the booking system, we have a checkout process, service-specific booking forms, a secure payment information collection, and a booking confirmation. Some challenges that we faced. Well, Arvind and Alekia use Infinity free. Uh, Brian or me, I use Bluehost, which is a paid service. And unfortunately, for Infinity free, they don't allow you to curl, uh, or they don't allow external access to curl. So that means that Alekia and Arvind were able to curl other websites, but I could not curl their websites. And there's a source for Infinity free's explanation.
Now let's move on to the uh, demo part. So my name is Aravind and I'll just move on to the demo part here. So our main website is hosted on a separate individual uh, individual website which is named as Final Project 272 for easier recognition. So our as Brian told our website name is Service Hub, and this is our main page of the website where you can see all the things at one place. So you can just find any service that you want. So here are the popular services that we are offering. And if you want to reach us about any query, then you could just fill in the form, contact us, and then click on send message. Then you could just see see we could just reply back immediately. So you could just uh, see these individual nav buttons which take you to the things that you need. And uh, let's get started and see we are how we can avail the services. So if you're a first time user, you could just click on some you can click on register, and you could just create an user here. You could just fill in your details, uh, and then it will create a new user for you. Yeah. Once you hit on create account, a new account will be created. Now you can just log in with the recently created account. Yeah. So this is our main dashboard, where you could find everything related to the marketplace. So these are the individual links which take you to our websites where we have our projects and our uh, professional services. You can find additional services in our each and individual sites. So I have my site here, Brian's site is here, and Alekia's site is here. If you click on visit site, it will open in a new page uh, where you could see our services site. Similarly, for Brian, when he click on open, you could just see Brian's website and his services. Yeah. Now, when you click on Alekia's, it's the same. So you could just see Alicia services here. Now let's move to the services, individual services that you can see in this marketplace. So when you click on Fresh Organics, this is Brian service. You could just see all the services that is offered in the Brian on the Brian's website. So here we could see weekly essentials box and then a weekly curated box of vegetables and fruits, and then a premium organic box, custom order fresh fruits a box, farm fresh vegetables, similar to these. So he could just here click on book now, and then you could just fill in your details and then complete booking. It will show you the price, service fee, and the total cost. Yep. And you could just opt in for different plans that is suitable to your needs. You could see what are these plans offers, and then you could just see what caters to you. So when we come back, now let's move on to Alicia's website, where you could uh, see services for cybersecurity solutions. So here we have different kinds of cybersecurity solutions ranging from network security to uh, security consultation. Here, what are the individual services that each offering provide are written here. So based on what suits what's the user needs based on the needs of the user, you could just opt in for the service that is uh, convenient to you. So similar to the one that we have seen on the Brian's website, you could just click on any service. You could just click on book now. You could just enter your details, and then if you click on complete booking, it will just add your service to your account. So now let's move out to my part. Okay, sorry. So now let's move on to my part, where is Frameboard Studios. It's the same thing. Here you could see different services offered by me, where you can see we have different photography services. You could just opt in for what different kinds of services that you need. So now, as you can see, we here as I have navigated to the booking options in Brian's and Alekia service, uh, whatever the service that I have visited, it just keeps a track of it. So whenever you come to the Vane website, you can just simply see what services I have uh, visited, so that you could just keep an idea, a track of the last service that you have used or that you have planning to use. So here, after using the service, any person can add a review by simply going to the individual service page, scroll down, and then if you see here, it's a it's it's a user by Arvind G. It's myself. As we are on John's portal, I have I have published this review using my portal. You could just click on write a review. You could just click on rating, and if you just type in how the service has helped you and how much did you like the service, you could just write these, and then if you click on submit, it just submits the review. So the reviews are one one of the greatest things that helps other consumers uh, in selecting whatever services they want to opt for. It helps them choose better. So now, you can also see that here we have top five top products and services from each offerings. Like from Frameford Studios, here are the top five services that the customers are choosing for. You could just click on view all button where you could just it goes to the main service page and where you can see all the services, or else you could just uh, go directly to the uh, individual service. If you have already visited the penetration testing one, you could just scroll down. You could just click on book now to penetration testing. It will take you to here, and then if you click on book, and you could just purchase the same thing. So this is the top products and services in each offerings. So based on the ratings and based on the needs, you could just click on book now and avail that service to your account. So in the next part, you will also see the top five in the whole marketplace. So these are the top five services that most of the customers have been availed on this marketplace. So uh, it may be from one offering or it may be from different offerings. Uh, as you can see, that wedding photography is from Frame4 Studios and network security is from Cyber Solutions. And the premium organic box from Fresh Organic is one of the most opted service in the